Hi, welcome back to our Salesforce team. So, in our previous lecture, we learned about how to implement a linear layout in a horizontal or vertical manner. So, today we are going to learn about linear layout. This is another type of view groups. So, in general, I already know you that I already told you that there is only two types of view groups generally used in Android application. So, this one is the second thing, second one, and the first one is linear layout. So relative layout is used only for if you wanted to set any top of the screen, you wanted to set as a text view on the top of screen or in the center of the screen or in the bottom or left, right, or you wanted to set as a one element on top of another element. So relative layout is used for this one. So this one is also very important things in our Android application development. So we have got so many requirements from the client that he needs a image on top of there. It should be in a text. There should be display. So for this, we need that relative layout. So only relative layout that can be possible. So you can also refer our website and see there is so many theories. Also there are so many attributes already mentioned in here. You'll get an idea how to use the relative layouts in your Android application. uh, so we have also code in there, so you don't need to be worried about the code where you wanted to get that code and all. So you just copy that our code and it will work in your Android application as it is. Let me show you that how you are going to do it. Just copy this code. It should display like this. We have set it as a screenshot. So if you get any error, any different kind of screen, so you make sure that the screen should be displayed exactly the same in our website. So let's copy and paste. Yeah, we have done that paste, and it shows exactly the same thing in our website screenshot, and this one is also the same. So let's understand what are these things are actually mentioned in used in this layout screen. So this one is the relative layout because this one is the view groups. So you can see that there we have used text view and button layout element and button text view. That's all. Button, there is only two types of elements we have used, button and text view. And in relative layout we have the properties age, width, height. We have set as a match parent because it will cover the whole area. The background color is hexadecimal color, so this one is a yellow color code, so that's why it's showing the yellow. So you can also change that color code by using click on this yellow icon showing here. So just drag in here and select any color, so it will automatically change the color code also. This one is actually real-time color code is changing here. So we need light blue color. This one is pretty much violet color. Now just change the dark blue color. So okay, we're comfortable with this dark blue color, but we will need to change this color code because this one is actually matching with this one. Also the black one is showing here. The black color is this one. This one is we have set as a default color code, so that's why it is showing the black. I can change the color using that text color element. Yeah, this one is the property and this one is the value. So you can see that now it's visible. So we have that relative layout in here and in text view. So element, we can set that element where it should be placed. So you can see that in our element there is only two properties are new to you. So you can see that we have always that ID should be unique, and yeah, ID have every tag should be associated with their ID. Where the height is there, we know that, and text style is bold. Yeah, we know that the text style automatically it will convert to bold. Text all caps true. If it is true, then it will the text will be all the text character will be the capital caps. So text size, yeah, we know that text size. text color, just change the text color. So these two things are different new to us. So this one is a layout align parent top. So it means, so whatever the elements are there, so it will align our parent. What is our parent? So this element's parent is relative layout. So this parent covers the whole screen size, because this one is a match parent and this one is a match parent, where the height is match parent. So that's why it's covered the whole phone screen. And we have this one is a aligned parent top. So it's saying that this element should be placed on top of that parent. So it will align on top of that. Okay. So next thing is saying that layout center horizontal true. So it's saying that this one is a center horizontal. So that's why it's showing that center of this top of center. So because if you set as a false, you can see that by default it would be placed in the left side. You can see that it's showing the left side. If you true, then it will automatically send go back to the center position. So that is why we use this one. So you can see the also that you cannot do that thing in a linear layout. We can do only in relative layout to set as a top up there. You wanted to set as a top or bottom or center, only it can be possible in our relative layout. You can see that this one is a layout right off. So what does that mean? This is very important things. So it's saying that that element, whatever the element id is button, so which element id is button, so this one. So it's saying the this element button 2 should be placed on right of button id. So it's saying that layout to right of. So this one is button 1. So it's saying the align to the second button, this button, and align to the first button. So this button, it should be placed right of this button, first one, because it's saying that layout right of this button id, layout align top this button id. So it will align with this top, this button. Layout below to this id, text view, the text view id is there then. So it will be placed below of this text view. And margin is 5 dp, we already know that. Layout align start, so it's saying that what will be the start position of there. So it will align with our text view id, whatever the text view id is there. So this one, so it will align with this one on the start of this id. So if it is go to the left, so this button also go back to the left. Go to the right, so it will also go back to the right, because this one is associated with it on top of the text view. So that's why if it is move, if text view will move, so this one will also move. Same thing we have done this one. Other elements also there, the same properties we have used. Consider align parent right true. So this one, that's why it's right. I have used three chewing. Okay, parent bottom true. So that's why it is bottom. Parent left true. So that's why it's left. So that is all for today, and we learned about the new awesome topic today. That is relative layout, how to implement relative layout, and I have showed you the layout later. So let's study the next new chapter, new awesome topic of one in our next lecture. So till then, bye bye, take care.